This volume radar is another great one. Let me actually show you the volume radar from the volume channel. So I'm going to go down to the very bottom at the volume channel. And in here, I should have a volume radar. That's a volume thrust window right here. And this is interesting because we do great analysis with volume at Trade Ideas. We break it down into the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 5 minute, the day. You know, we know what the average 10-day, 30-day, and so when crazy volume starts to hit, we're in a great position to be able to deliver you those ideas right through these types of windows here, where we're looking at volume on all different time frames. So when we're connecting to the exchanges at our data center, like I said earlier, we listen to every single tick of every stock and we database all that. So we can give you, that information, that's basic information that you have, but at the same time of collecting that and databasing it, we're also creating new filters and creating new data. We call it metadata. And that could be something like relative volume. That's not anything that you get from the exchange. That's a baseline that we take and we tell you how it's doing right now.